Hey there, junior marine biologists. Are you ready to celebrate Shark Week? Marine biologists are scientists that study the plants and animals of the sea. They get up close and personal with sharks to learn more about them. Have you ever seen a shark? Tell us where you've seen a shark in the comments. Sharks are cartilaginous fish. That means their skeletons are made out of cartilage. So, what is cartilage exactly? Cartilage is a tough and flexible type of tissue that can be found in our ears and noses. Squeeze the bottom of your ear. Does it feel squishy? Sharks don't have bones like other fish, and their skin feels like sandpaper. Sharks constantly shed their teeth and grow new ones. They can have 50,000 teeth over a lifetime. Sharks don't have any vocal cords, so they don't make any sounds. They do, however, have great vision, and they can see through the murkiest water in the deepest parts of the ocean. Their night vision is better than a cat's or a wolf's, but yet, sharks never blink. They only use their eyelids to protect their eyes during a fight. A shark's sense of smell is 10,000 times better than a human's sense of smell. Can you imagine how yummy fresh-baked cookies would smell to sharks? So what makes sharks such great predators? Sharks can detect an animal's beating heart. They can also detect electrical pulses. Not only are their senses impressive, but sharks have been around for a really long time. Based on fossil scales found in Australia and the United States, scientists believe sharks first appeared in the ocean around 455 million years ago. The average lifespan of a shark is about 20 to 30 years long. Sharks are known to be loners. They prefer to hunt and live alone versus in a school like you see these fish. Another cool fact about sharks is that some species, like angel sharks and nurse sharks, are able to breathe in water while they're not moving. But most sharks have to keep swimming to pump water into their gills. Aren't sharks incredible sea animals? Did you learn something new about sharks today? If you did, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell. We hope you keep exploring sharks this week to celebrate Shark Week. In next month's STEM Unraveled video, we will be learning all about chemistry. So make sure to follow, like, comment, and subscribe for a chemistry lesson and more stimulating videos.